Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your crypto from Kraken to Crypto.com in 2026. Whether you're looking to consolidate your assets or explore new platforms, this step-by-step process will make it easy and secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Crypto.com. You'll need to verify your identity if you haven't already, as security is key in the crypto world. Also, check for any transfer fees or network costs. Prices can fluctuate, so plan ahead. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the Wallets or Funding section, where you'll find your crypto holdings. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, on Crypto.com, go to your wallet and find the Deposit option. Copy the wallet address for the same cryptocurrency. This is crucial. Double-check that you're using the correct network, such as ERC20 for Ethereum, to avoid any lost funds. Now, back on Kraken, choose Withdraw for your selected crypto. Paste the wallet address from Crypto.com into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and review all the details carefully. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for added security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion in 2026. Keep an eye on the transaction status using blockchain explorers like Etherscan or Bitcoin's Explorer. Finally, once it's done, log back into Crypto.com and check your wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your crypto. Remember, always stay vigilant against scams and keep your private keys safe. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.